This is the Voron V0.2 Pro R1 by Fysetc, which at the time of purchase was only $289, including 7-day shipping to the United States. That would make this little guy the cheapest Voron 3D printer that you can buy today. And I'm going to show you why this should be your next 3D printer to add to your collection. Yeah, so you may already know what a Voron is, but if you don't, let me explain. Voron, or Voron Design, is a small team of engineers dedicated to creating production quality 3D printers that can be assembled at home. Their printers are known for their high print quality, speed and reliability, and are popular among hobbyists and professional makers alike. The company was founded in 2015 by RCF, who was frustrated with the lack of high quality, affordable 3D printers on the market. He set out to design and build his own printer, and the Voron project was born. Voron 3D printers are available in a variety of sizes and configurations, but the one we'll be focusing on today is their V0.2, which uses the Core XY motion system. Since Vorons are not sold fully assembled, unless you're talking about something like the Troodon, which is a totally different story, then you'll have to decide to either source each part of the printer yourself, or buy a pre-configured kit from a manufacturer such as LDO, or in this case, Fysetc. Now that you've got a rough idea of what a Voron 3D printer actually is, I'd like to point out a few key features in this kit that make it unique to other kits that can cost over 2 times the price of this one right here. Oh, and by the way, I just thought I'd mention that this kit was bought with my own money and was not provided to me by anyone, so everything I say in this video is my own opinion. Let's start with what I think is the biggest feature over other V0.2 kits, the mainboard. Since I chose the $10 upgrade over the stock Cheetah 3.0 board at checkout, I received the brand new Catalyst board. The reason that this board is so unique is because it doesn't require you to buy a separate Raspberry Pi for however much those are going for today. Instead, it uses an integrated CM68 compute module to handle all your Clipper related stuff. It also relies on an umbilical daughter board in the toolhead connected over a pre-crimped wire bundle to transmit all the necessary data and power connections to the hot end, fans, extruder motor, and an integrated temperature sensor and accelerometer. So yes, you have fully automated input shaper as well, which is pretty nice. The main downside I see with this main board, however, is that future upgradability is not as good as it would be on a regular board. In my opinion though, the simpler wire management makes it completely worth it. The next feature that really surprised me was this CNC bed mount, similar to LDO's Kirigami mount, which they provided in their kits. Not only is this super sturdy, it also makes assembly quite a bit faster. Additionally, Fysetc provides their lightweight CNC X-axis beam, which makes the value of this kit even more impressive. Regarding the hot end, Fysetc includes a V6 clone, which isn't anything special. It works, yes, but it just takes so long to heat up. So I replaced the block with a CHC ceramic heater for much better heat up time, but hey, you do you. With these features, this printer is really solid. It's fully enclosed, it uses a direct drive extruder, it runs on 24 volts, and it looks neat and tidy as well. After you've tuned it and run input shaper, Fysetc's V0.2 prints perfectly. I was actually super surprised at just how comparable its print quality and speed is to my $1,500 Trident kit by LDL. Honestly, if all you're after is speed and quality and don't care about print volume too much, the V0 might be right for you. Speaking of the print volume, this little guy has got a 120mm by 120mm bed with a height of 120mm. So yes, it can absolutely print a speed benchy if you so desire. So that leads us to the final question. Should you buy it? Well, yes, but it's a little bit more complicated than that. I bought my kit off AliExpress during their summer sale, which had some absolutely fantastic deals. On top of this, there were some additional coupons for a total of $70 off. So I guess the question isn't really if you should buy it, but rather if you are able to buy it. If you do happen to find this kit at a similar price, then yeah, go ahead and spend the $290. It's worth every penny. And with that, now you know what the world's cheapest Voron 3D printer looks like. Not bad, right? If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please do consider dropping a like down below and sharing it with your friends. If you'd like to show even more support, consider becoming a subscriber so that you don't miss any of my other uploads. Good luck out there, and keep building things.